This course is a full training program for managers who want to become multi-site leaders and for current field leaders who are looking to elevate and improve their skills. After completing this course, you will understand how to lead a purposeful store visit, craft a clear email message to your team, understand how to be an inspiring leader and ask the right questions, hold engaging conference calls, make the most of admin time, hold meaningful touch bases, positively collaborate with your HO partners, and make timely decisions, especially when it comes to talent. With over 1 hour of audio, video, a coaching guide and multiple choice quizzes, you will learn what it takes to be a high-performing district manager. This course will provide insights, tips, and competency skill building activities to develop the necessary skills of a successful district manager. Plus, we have an online retail community of leaders to support and encourage your development. This course is available in French and English. To learn more, check out the link below this video.